So my name is Tommy Heaney. I'm the owner and chef at Heaney's in Cardiff. Heaney's has been open now for 10 months. So we opened back in October 2018. And then we opened up Uisce, which is our wine bar. So the food style at Heaney's, we've went with more relaxed dining experience. So we do sharing plates, small plates. And the idea behind the whole concept is you can basically have an individually priced tasting menu, but the option is also there to have the tasting menu, but it's a shared tasting menu. So Uisce is our new restaurant next door. So the food style in Uisce it was very basically comfort food. So I'll basically strip back to what we're doing here. We originally opened it hoping it was going to be a breakfast and sandwich bar, but it's kind of flipped the other way now. So it's more of a wine bar, and we do like a British style on tapas in the evening. I suppose success to me is, bums on seats, happy customers, happy staff, and I'd love to get to a stage in my career where I'm content and satisfied, but I think that's a very long way off. I was quite fortunate that I've got a lot of friends now that have all been in the same situation as me. They've opened their own places and they're at the end of the phone, for advice, and vice versa. I mean, I got friends now opening a restaurant that are phoning me. So, as I say, there's no shame in asking for help. I mean, produce is massive to me. Our menu is very, very restricted. It is your old 3 things on a plate kind of style. Because the produce is that good, we don't really want to be messing with it too much. My advice for anybody that was going to go in and do something on TV is do it for the right reasons. I just basically wanted to push myself. I wanted to push myself up against some of the best chefs in the country, and it was the best experience of my life, bar none. It was just, to be working firsthand with these guys is just an experience you couldn't pay for. And it pushes you, it makes you a better chef. And I hold my hands up, and I'm just, without Great British Menu or TV, I wouldn't be sitting here today. Yeah, I mean, I would say learn from my mistakes. I kind of set out to go, I want to be at the top, I want to be a head chef as soon as possible, and I was head chef at 19, 20, and basically went into brands then and whatever else, but then I hit 30 and I realised, I want to be a top chef rather than a head chef. So at 30 then I started phoning Michelin star chefs and asking could I go and work in their kitchen for free and whatever else, whereas I could have done that at 19, you know what I mean? Surround yourself by the right people, go and work for the best chefs in the country, don't be afraid of hard work, and yeah, just be prepared for it. 2 years time, we're really happy what we're doing here. I wake up every morning and I just want to come here, and hopefully that never changes. I've got no aspirations to build multiple restaurant chains or anything like that. It's about getting a nice team together and just basically having them regular customers coming day in, day out.